Hey scooter enthusiasts! If you're looking to boost your Hiboy S2 or S2 Pro's speed and leave everyone in the dust, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll share the top 5 tips to make your Hiboy S2 or S2 Pro faster. So stick around till the end and make sure you don't miss any of the steps. Let's get started. Number 5. Properly inflated tires. Properly inflated tires reduce friction and improve speed. Underinflated tires can slow you down. Use a tire gauge to check your tire pressure regularly. Trust me, this small step goes a long way. Number 4, minimize weight. Minimize the weight you carry. Extra weight can drag you down, so keep your backpack light and avoid unnecessary items. Every pound counts when you're aiming for top speed. Number 3, update firmware. Ensure your Hiboy S2 Pro is running the latest firmware. This can improve performance and unlock new features. Visit the official Hiboy website or app to download and install the latest updates. It's quick and can make a real difference. Number 2, advanced modifications. For those tech-savvy riders, consider advanced modifications like upgrading the motor or battery. This can give you a significant speed boost. But remember, it might void your warranty, so proceed with caution. Number 1. Now for the game changer. Removing the speed limiter. This can unlock your scooter's full potential. Here's how. Turn off your scooter. Locate the speed limiter, usually a small white connector on the controller. Disconnect it, reassemble your scooter and test ride it. Feel the difference instantly. There you have it, folks. 5 powerful tips to make your Hiboy S2 or S2 Pro faster. Try these out and watch your speed soar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Ride safe and enjoy the speed.